Content Marketing Toolkit has topic research, SEO content template, SEO writing assistant, brand monitoring, post tracking, content audit. Let me see how to do topic research in SEMrush. Go to topic research in SEMrush. We can do topic research in two methods based on location such as country, region, city and language. One by just entering the keyword in search field. Second method is we have to enter a keyword and a domain. And in the second method, sometimes we will get green color cards. These cards indicating that the keywords in the domain is ranking in top hundreds. Now I am entering just keyword Google Analytics and selected the country United States. Now SEMrush will find most relevant subtopics for the entered keyword and the content ideas will be displayed in four formats. They are Cards, Explorer, Overview and Mind Map. We will see favorite ideas while explaining cards. In cards format, toggle on trending subtopics first, which will display trending subtopics with fire icon. Trending subtopics are popular subtopics for the last 60 days in internet. Here in this topic, fortunately I got two trending subtopics. We can see topics based on volume, difficulty and topic efficiency.
High topic efficiency means it is good topic and we can target this topic for our websites. And we can export the topic into XLX formats.
In a card, when we click show more option, we will get more headlines, questions and related searches for the topic. After selecting headlines based on our needs, we can put them in favorite content ideas option using add icon. Resonance means quality and here resonance mentioned in bullhorn icon. High resonance means high quality with green bullhorn icon. Normal resonance comes with blue icon. Medium resonance shows with light blue icon. Low resonance will show with grey blue bullhorn icon. In each card, we can also get more ideas for the selected subtopics. We can send the task to Trello of that card. We can schedule content task in SEMrush owned marketing calendar tool. We can create a SEO template and it will give a SEO recommendation for the subtopics. Based on this, we can create good content. and we can also check our written content in real-time content check. In Explorer data view, the details are arranged in column which includes subtopic, content idea, Facebook engagements, backlinks and total shares. In overview option, the data will look like summary of content idea which includes cards and Explorer. Here we will get headlines by backlinks and it will show interesting questions. Since it is a overview option, it will also display top subtopics in card format. Related searches also available here. Mind map is showing data in visual form. The trending subtopic will be shown in red color. It also includes headlines and questions.